Harry. 100% talent Jamaica. You know what we talk about bad artists right here, so you find them. You over there, me I deal with, we are talk about a great artist right here, you know, a bad artist, you know. From out of Jamaica, we are talk about hyper. Bad like a sniper. You know the thing already.
Yeah, race. Like I'm ready. Yeah.
My name is Mr. John Cooper,
What you
the
chop
general manager of the Macronellian
Them a feel what you chop a top.
the company called
Yeah,
today
100%.
proceeding
Chop it.
toward the fight what the want from
All
my
right.
company,
Rich.
okay? Okay.
Yo, chop chop, link knock knock. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop. Somebody a go get knock. Yo, chop chop, link knock knock. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop. Somebody a go get knock. Nero just chop a million. Keisha buy your pavilion. Me and Tash inna the minivan. They say me nah leave you and my pretty girl. Who that original? True from your heart you a fi me done. Yo, let's go. Race.
Get your track today.
Yo, knock knock, link chop chop. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop. Somebody a go get knock. Yo, knock knock, link chop chop. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop. Somebody a go get knock. Me chop a line, yalla wine. Me make money anytime. Race.
Yeah, bad artist hyper that. Bad artist hyper. Risk. Somebody a go get chopped. We not talk last and cutlass. We a draw feel laptop, yo, man. Yeah. You know I go 100% talent Jamaica. I'm telling you, say I sound and find the bad artist them, the rough artist them, the tough artist them. You know the thing go DJ Smokey, big up yourself, the whole staff. You know the thing go Master Bruce Keisha. You know the thing go Our General, they are filling for the bad host. $1 million vibes. You over there me I deal with. So you know the thing going now. We are go forward to another bad artist. You over there me I deal with. So when we think get organized. Yeah. 100% talent Jamaica with it. Remember, you know, perfect score, you know. Anybody will get a perfect score on this competition, straight 10 across the board can win $100,000 right away. You over there, me a deal, you know, say for the person with the top performer, you know, say a 25,000 and you score them add up, but the perfect score is 10 across the board. But otherwise, from that, the top performer will get the highest score. In the competition at the end, will receive a $25 gift from 100% Talent Jamaica. We also have the social media challenge, where the person with the highest views win $5,000. So you know we have whole heap of thing a giveaway for the people. All courtesy of 100% Talent Jamaica, Keisha Las Vegas, Master Bruce. You know the thing go, yo, Vaz. You know the Arrow General they are represent. You know the thing go. So you know bad artists we say, you know. Rough artists. Big up all the top skanker them too. You see me I did, my cousin, big up yourself. I've never know say I'm my cousin till recently. My blood cousin, you know. So big up yourself. You see me I deal with. You know what thing go, you see me? Yeah. So me please for know me have all the blood family in the competition likewise. Yo, Vaz. Yeah, so. Yeah. 100% talent. 100% talent. Alright, say out well cool. Harrow straight to the socks, harrow pants, harrow shirt, harrow caps. Girl, them a smile. Tell me, say them love the harrow track, say them love how me rock and relax. So want me fi feel, so want me fi flap, so want me fi dead, so want me fi drop. But every time they look on the media and them a criticize harrow sides, still a run the road up, you know that say how we are.
For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill.
talent on 100% Talent Jamaica. Win $250,000, including weekly prizes, singers, poets, dancers, actors, comedians, instrumentalists, DJs. Auditions start August the 11th. Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica.
We are lucky. We are running. Hey, Mr. Government and Parliament, no giving no argument. From the day we ban your speeches, no make no difference. Drag it out the road, them way you fix the money. Ready up.
Purchase your beats today.
Ready up. Bados $1 million voice there, you know. Ready up.
$2.8 million, and then
Ready up.
2016 custom built Mercedes-Benz.
Keisha, all we have contact with Tosh. You don't have no credit. All we have to contact with Tosh. I want number Tosh.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica. Win $250,000, including weekly prizes, singers, poets, dancers, actors, comedians, instrumentalists, DJs. Auditions start August the 11th. Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica. Win $250,000, including weekly prizes, singers, poets, dancers, actors, comedians, instrumentalists, DJs. Auditions start August the 11th. Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica. Win $250,000, including weekly prizes, singers, poets, dancers, actors, comedians, instrumentalists, DJs. Auditions start August the 11th. Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5%.
TV, big up Bruce, big up Kisha Las Vegas, Ara General. You know what I mean? Remember the show for go on, 100% Talent Jamaica. Yeah. Ready right now? Okay. Alright then. Alright, up and active, up and running. What you mean? It's all about 100% Talent Jamaica right now. Remember, moving artists to another level. What you mean? Hey, make we get the show excited, you know. Yeah. Hey, so line up all contestants right now. The first performer. The first performer, just make your way to center stage right now. 100% Talent Jamaica. Yeah. I love to highlight the artist them. I know I go. Forward my boss. Introduce yourself to Jamaica. I'm going to go straight inside the show right now. Big up yourself. What go on? And what y'all forwarding this week?
Yeah, man, you know, say, my mama cry. Because you know, say, I be a kid in a go on, and when mama send the youth, them go to school, them not come back. You understand what I say? So 100% talent, you know, say, it's all, you know. Mama cry. With the crying mothers, you know. Drop me rhythm. DJ Smoke Kick, I don't know, say 100% talent. For the crying mothers and the crying fathers, 100% talent. Watch out now. Mama cry, mama cry, mama cry. She a wipe all the tears from her eye. Papa cry, papa cry, papa cry. Because him here say him one son died. That's why me sing say, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Mama them kill your one daughter, you feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Me say she just can't reveal it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Papa them kill your one son, me know you feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Me say him just can't reveal it. She never trouble no one. As she do go school, she get her education. He say she listen and me no say sitting wrong. The other night them find her body in a pan. Them chop off her head and her foot and her hand. How with them cold heart, when you come from, them heart dirty up like down a river ton. Then this the most high and start work for Satan. That's why me sing say, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Mama them kill your one daughter, you feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Me say she just can't reveal it. Feel it, them feel it, them feel it, them feel it. Papa them kill your one, so me know you feel it. Feel it, 100% talent. You why she feel it? Watch out. Feel it to her heart, she feel it to her soul. Just like they not hold them and you just who couldn't take the innocent body and them fling it in a hole. Them a take people like just to the top of the roll. I talk about how them big bad and bold. They no want see no life, they no want see no soul. Them heart dirty and the black like coal. Them a take people like when you go through the tunnel. That's why they tell them say feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Mama them kill your daughter, you feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Because she goes, hey, 100% solid. I tell it, to the bird. What was the man?
Alright, big it up. Big up yourself, my G. You're swagging. You know what I mean? Ara General, right in our show, you know. You know it going on. Yeah. You go on so pinting.
Feel it, you feel it, you feel it, you feel it. Hey, you know a big song? Yo, but I tell. Mighty full performance. Mighty full song, my general. You see me, I love the song. I love the message. I love the punchline there, it rough and feel it. You see me? I want to find a voice that now go so easy, you know. Them things they make you distinguish and different. You see me, I deal with. So for me, yeah man, beautiful bro. More than give her 8 still. Fully. You see me, I deal with. Well
right, thank you for that, our general lady. You know we're going to Kisha Las Vegas.
I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. I sure do feel it. And I will give you a 10 for that performance. Why? Because many persons out there are crying within and there's nowhere, no outlet. And I like that performance. Thank you so much.
All right, big up yourself. How you been? Feel it, you feel it, you feel it. Yes, big up yourself, Fire, you know what I mean? As I say, we give thanks to see another day. 100% talent show right now is up and active. You know what I mean? So we're moving on to another performer right now. Make your way to center stage. You know what's going on. We're moving artists to another level. 100% talent Jamaica. Wagwan. Natty Beach. What you do with? What you have for it this week? All right, let's do this right now. Let's do this. Natty Beach.
Old pirate, yes, they're a boy. So light to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, at my head and were made strong by the hands of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. lately. Won't you hit me sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever had. Hold up. Redemption song. That's all I ever had. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, and none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. Got to fulfill the book. Won't you hate me sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, and none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. Got to fulfill the book. Won't you hit sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever had. Redemption song. That's all I ever had.
All right, thank you for that, Natty Beach. Big one from Bob Marley. Ain't just me, you know. We like that style, you know what I mean? Kisha, Las Vegas. Started with you.
Natty Beach is all Jamaican, and I love him. I love the expression. I love the, the creative view style he carries to 100% talent. So Natty, I'll give you an 8 for that one because we love Bob Marley. Every Jamaican, internationally love Bob Marley. So thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Kisha. Yes, Nero Marley.
All right, so for me, Natty Beach has always been performing, you know what I mean? And even when him do covers, him do it in a female style. You know what I mean? So it's an instant 9 that for me said we still. Big up yourself, Natty Beach. I'm a real musician for real.
Yeah.
You know, yo, Overs.
Alright, General, you have to say something about the boss, you know.
Yo, boss. Big up Natty Beach.
Go ahead.
You see me I deal with big up fully. You see me I deal always entertaining when you see Natty Beach touch the stage. You see me I deal, I love how you show up the instrumental skills, the playing the guitar and stuff. You see me? So me personally, I have no problem. Only thing I do know Natty Beach. I love the cover version, a big song, but more original song from you. Original phrases with the instrument same way and show you how bad you is. So for me, it's an 8 as well, you see me? Alright. Big
up yourself, Natty Beach. You be the man who is a forward with a surprise today. You don't know, as I said, talented. Use up the instrument, and we like it. We love the excitement. We like it. We like the whole vibes. All right, so we're moving on to another contestants right now. You don't know, 100% talent. You know it going on. Yeah, Major Jackson, make your way to center stage, my boss. You know it going on. The show off it go on. Go on.
Bless up. Blessings to each and everyone. Contestant, yes, and all the judges. 100% talent. No, this one here is the original. It's the sweetest love jar I know. Yeah, let's go.
The sweetest love I know. Lord of
mercy, the sweetest, sweetest, sweetest love. I know, oh yeah, yeah. I said the sweetest, sweetest, sweetest love. I know, Lord of mercy, the sweetest, sweetest, sweetest love. I know, hey, hey, hey. So, burn out the hypocrites, the Rasta them want come this. Burn out the parasite, I give the young youths a fight. Burn out bad mind, promote a mankind. No for them I wait for see wonders and signs. So, no one no time for idle. So me say, no one got no time to play. Yeah, come, I strictly jam meditation. Me say that it a guide you through the day. Hey, no one no time for idle. So me say, no one got no time for play. Yeah.
Thank you for that one, Major Jackson. May I tell you, it's a Rasta them walk on this. Alright, Nero Polisher, what do you think about the song Major Jackson just performed for us?
Always impressed. Always impressed. Especially with its originals and stuff. I can't say I'm not really one person who use much up a stage, you know what I mean? You know, so but I give him a 9 for that still. Presentation and lyrics.
Thank you, Nero Polisher. Alright, Alright, General. We'll move on to you.
Yeah, Major Jackson, forward out, well a running idea, you know. Yo, yeah, you see that song there now, as an original song, as me I tell you, always impressed, because you have vocals for years. You see me I deal with, you can know say he's a very experienced singer. You see me I deal with, so we love for you being a part of 100% talent. You see me I deal with image, everything. You see me shirt, the body, the fire, you over say me I deal. So me personally, but I have no problem with the song or nothing, so I don't give a solid 9 as well, you see me?
Thank you, Aaron General. Move on to Kisha, Las Vegas.
Major Jackson. I liked it because, as I said, true Jamaica. With you and Natty Beach and yourself, true Jamaica. You remind us at the time that things were pure, natural, and real. I really liked it. I will give you a 9 as well.
Alright, thank you. Oh, you mean Major Jackson? Big up yourself. Nice song that is sick for a while ago, you know. Trust me, you can't diss Rasta. Alright, so moving on to another contestants right now. You know what I mean? Hey, big up Pepper inside the house. Big up all video personnel. You know what I mean? All the judges, big up on yourself. 100% talent. You don't know, just making things different for all uprising artists. Make your way to center stage. My boss. You know what's going on? Space Kid. Alright, what you doing for us today?
I'm going to do Billie Eilish, Bury a Friend.
Alright, bring it back to Wagwan. 100% talent. Let's go.
Billy.
What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
Come here.
Say it, spit it out. What is it exactly? Your pain is the amount cleaning you out. Am I satisfactory? Today I'm thinking about the things that are deadly. The way I'm drinking you down, like I wanna drown, like I wanna end me. Step on the glass, staple your tongue. Bury a friend, try to wake up. Cannibal class, killing the sun. Bury a friend, I wanna end me. What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
Listen.
Keep you in the dark. What had you expected? Me to make you my art and make you a star and get you connected. I'll meet you in the park. I'll be calm and collected. But we knew right from the start that you'd fall apart, cause I'm too expensive. Your talk would be something that shouldn't be said out loud. Honestly, I thought that I would be dead by now. Calling calling security, keeping my head held down. Bury the hatchet or bury your friend right now. The debt I owe God is
Alright, Space Kid. Give it up for Space Kid. Maybe I tell you I'm really talented with the move them, you know. Everybody, when nobody I watch you, them have to laugh. You put a smile on them face because you're very dramatic with whatever you're doing right here. Alright, our general. Let's start with you now, my boss.
Yo, Vaz. Yeah, Space Kid. Always impressive. You always mash up the stage. You see me I deal with. So, me not have a problem each and every week when you forward and touch the stage. Because you always forward with something different as a skanker. You see me I deal. But me personally think you should use songs where more easily depict the story. Like for a man personally like me, I don't even know whether the song I said just alright or not going like. You see me? So more than think you need to choose a better song where easy depict the story where you can move to, you see me? So me would give you a solid 8, you see me? I heard him.
Thank you for that, our General Kisha. I see him put on a smile on your face. Lively up the place.
Brandon always does that to the audience. He gives you a real grin on your face. There are times that I want to say, I wonder if he's Jamaican, but that would be an insult because Jamaicans are so creative. So, that being said, to me, this offered depth, and sometimes things don't necessarily have to be obvious to the eyes, but it gives you the opportunity to recreate and find your own creation of what you're seeing, your perception of that. So I would give you a 10. Your efforts are always great to me. I love it.
Thank you, Kisha. Nero.
Brandon, them basically say the same thing I'm about to say. But based on the information that was presented by Harrow, right, you have to remember, say, them sang a song will deal with depression, you know. You understand? And the mere fact that he's not here to project his voice, he's just using his body to speak exactly what is happening in the music. And he always impress the crowd. So a solid 10 that for me right this already. As a man say, you're the only person doing what you're doing in the competition anyways, so we can't even judge it with somebody else, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man.
Yeah. Thank you, Nero Malisha, for that one. Now you mean Space Kid, big up yourself. Every week you forward, you bring it. You know what I mean? Big up all contestants. Hey, trust me, hey, doing well right now. All right, 100% talent. Remember, all the viewers, remember to keep the votes coming in for all the artists. Remember, when you see them out there in the streets of campaign, please to support them because, trust me, nobody knows where the future may bring. All right, so you don't know our new set at youth them this. We move to another level right now. 100% talent Jamaica. This is what we're doing right now. All right, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. 100% talent Jamaica. Keep it excited. Hey, Carrie-Ann, what's up?
I'm here.
What you doing for us today? All right, Whitney Houston's. All right, bring it, shell it. Hey, this is what I'm talking about, carry on. Hey, trust me. I saw me do a whole heap of homework I go on at home, you know. Trust me, she come out. Nero Malisha, let's start with you first.
And I must start with me first. Alright, cool. So here I go on now. Carry on. It's a very important thing to sing from here. When you're singing those type of songs, you will hurt here very, very hard. You will hurt here. And I can hear it so you can come out with it. You just need more practice, but I give a solid 9 for that. Can me impress. Yeah, I give a solid 9
Thank
for that.
you for that, Nero Malisha. Kisha Las Vegas.
I had fun with your song, and as I said, you always sing mature songs. I like the effort. I think you can do better, and with lessons in the future, I'm sure that you're just really wowie. For today, though, I'll give you an 8. Right?
Thank you, Kisha. Our general. Carry on is here for you.
Yo, boss. Yes, singer. See you forward out to the freeway. See you Russ. Vocals up and bass, something and I go on. After you beat things and I go on. You're going with yourself. See me I deal with. Big up yourself. You see me I deal with. Yeah, I love the vocals. You see me? Me personally, I wouldn't give you a perfect 10, you know. But you know why I not give you a perfect 10? Because of how you start. You start off and then you catch it. When I see one night time I stay and I pray and then I see you touch one note, one little piece of bump start. You know? And I say, oh, mama have it, man. You see me I deal with so a solid 9. You see me I deal with golden steady.
100% talent Jamaica, trust me. Moving talents to another level. Big up yourself, carry on. Hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, big up yourself, trust me. Each week, all contestants is getting better and better, and them, I think them are going deeper and deeper. You know what I mean? Alright, so big up everyone, every contestants who are here. So we're moving on to another contestants right now. You know what I mean? 100% talent Jamaica. Remember, them are bring it, you know. Them are do it. Them excited. Make your way to center stage. Hey, your next bad singer in the building right now, you know what I mean? Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world. What's up?
Hi, my name is Brianna.
How the place full up of bad men and some people were so evil. Enough of them want us, but them can't test where God bless me. Say them call it, but them press regardless. On and on we go. On and on we go. On and on we go. Cause we know that from your mind conceit, then you shall achieve it. No make them stop you with them bad energy. Yeah, them no lover, only evil. Them I free, them no want me to be, but God made me fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Take me away from the horror, you know. God made me fly away, fly. I can't take this no more. This is not what I hope for, you know. Them talking this, them talking that, them come, them shooting a bad man, shot them, give them gold, them set them, take them, want me right, them not me job. Brian and me head to the top. Instead of players and I own that. Move forward and me not turn back. I shall I be say, but you know them the same man say Ray, and the same man say Boo, and the same man say them, and the same man say you. And I saw me come down to one conclusion. Can't trust none way a human. Fly away, fly like a million sparrows. Let me away from the horror, you know. Fly away, fly. I can take this no more. This is not what I hope for, you know.
If you think Brianna have you flying right now here on 100% Talent Jamaica, make some noise. I mean, you're excited. Alright, so we're moving on. Hey, to our judges right now, our general. What you think about Brianna performer just now?
Yeah. Just a while ago, I'm not telling you like you can sing, you know. Cause it seems like you sing on the fire phone, or just you are sing naturally. And it's come like on the fire phone you used just a while ago. It's just projecting your voice. I love the choice, a song where you choose. You see me I deal with. But at the same time as a singer, you know, say breath control, I have to work with them DJ part there. You see me I deal with. So, you see me, I just probably that. I think I love how you ride the rhythm. You see me, I did that song there, I want one of my favorite songs. You see me? So, we don't give a solid 8. You see me, I deal with all them said you.
Thank you for that, our General Teacher Las Vegas. Are you flying?
Every mother in Jamaica wants a child like Brianna because the things that she thinks of is so conscious and we really like it. The song choice was perfect. I do think you have some work though, and I think with some lessons you'll be on top as you should be, so I'll give you a 9. I really enjoyed that.
Thank you for your words of advice. Nero Malisha.
Alright, so for me, nobody giving a look there, you know. For me, I know that Brianna can sing, and when Brianna sings from here. You understand? I think the song of choice was not for your voice. Because I don't know if everybody just there here one time you got to the chorus again, but it was at a different note. Because you couldn't take the strain. Right? So for that, I give you a 9 said way. Because I know you can do it. That's a song choice. Never did it. Forget the 10. You understand? Yeah man, man.
Thank you for that, Nero Malisha. Alright, Brianna. Next week you come in better and better. She sound good. Yeah, she sound good for real. You know what I mean? Hey, big up Pepper. You know what's going on? Yeah. And this is what I'm talking about. The exciting, talented show right now, Jamaica. You know what go? You don't look forward for them beauty, I know. The future them. You get what I say? Alright, so moving on to another contestant right now. Our next contestant, just make your way to center stage right now. You know what I mean? 100% talent Jamaica doing big things and making move for all these contestants right now. Our next performer. I just want to introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world, my boss. I see you bring it next week. What you have for us this week?
Official, good afternoon. Daddy, is it? Bikers anthem, me I got chopping it, is it? Bless up judges. Everybody, you see me? Yeah, man, I can kick it, man.
The boy them give away girl most definitely. Them say, two of them clean them off for you to take me. Every girl I road that said them off forget way, and them not forget me. Official, this are the bikers anthem. Some want to see the bikers and them. Girl, if you fit for the ride, jump on the bike, but no the key and the ignition then. That are the sound of the double R. It take a girl so quick and bring her back, you know, miss her. That are the sound of the Kawasaki. Go ask Diddy if he remember take no catty from. Hear the sound of the muffler. Me ride the jigsaw and see a girl and go for her. The $600 lucky party. Yeah, if me use and take up a pay shorty. She say me love it how you flash it daddy. The way me dilly and dolly she sing like a shanty. Then me get the cousin could left the auntie. Me buck it in and the alley she da shake it for me. Me ride up in and the traffic granny. Same time see they look over catty call me. Make every catty Huawei. Kawasaki double R and no dinner. When me a ride no ask if me have been a keep on me. No police can wap it on we. We full of big bike in the army. Gyal a roll, we make a flex, watch it duka. We take a gyal from any black crazy gyal a stalk. We have no damage a gyal that then a fed daddy. The bite them give we gyal to party. Gyal a left them husband figure winner. That are the sound of the double R. It take a gyal so quick and bring her back, you know miss her. That are the sound of the Kawasaki. Go ask Diddy if he ever take no catty from.
Hey, daddy, big up yourself. What you say? And that sound there? Alright, you know what's going on. Yeah. Alright, judges, you know what's going on. Alright, General, we're going to start with you over General. You know what's going on. Daddy, da.
Daddy, di, da. Daddy, da. Oh, hey, and you embody the youth. You see that song they do? Unique. Tough. Me love how you fit it in at the rhythm. Because me I listen to the rhythm and the rhythm I make the sound of the bike. You see me I deal with some, me rate how you fit the song on the rhythm for go with the rhythm. Song title tough, but all of the bikers. But me think you could have deliver it with more energy. And you see me engage you and you know we are artists and give you that little style there. You see me? No, but as artists you have to tell selectors say turn up my rhythm because we are artists and we in control and we have the fire-phone. So with that, we don't give a solid 8 as well, my G. Manners.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara General. Kisha, let me see Ara over there now. What go on?
I love that so much. You know, so I love if I hear a certain rhythm, a certain beat, yeah, vibe. Once you are saying encouraging vibes to women, you know I'm on the ball with that. So I have to give you a 9 for the one day. It's fun and easily you can rock in a dance hall. I love it.
Thank you for that, Kisha. Alright? Yeah, Nero Malisha.
It's a solid 7 for me. Because as I said, the energy never did there. Bad song, my friend. As the Ara say, when they're up on the stage, you're an MC or an artist, brother, and you control the crowd. So if it's a light man, dim the light dim. If it's a cameraman, lock off the camera lock off. If it's a nobody enough to look, nobody not gonna look. So you in command still. So a solid 7 for me right there, right?
Word of advice, look at myself, you know what's going on. Big up yourself, yeah, everything alright. 100% talent, this is what we're talking about. The show is so excited right now. And the more we get to the further inside the show, the artists are really getting excited. All contestants right now. Hey, me I tell you, center stage right now, my brother, you know what I mean? Yeah, what y'all going with, what y'all for it? I know you're full of vibes and energy right now. Hey, just bring it right now, show Jamaica and the world what you have for us today.
Lysa, you know it's ecstatic. I mean, I say, yo, first of all, I have to big up all of the judges. You hear that? All of the sponsors, every supporter. DJ Smokey, Million, you don't know the thing, go. All contestants. Arrow General, Nero, Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah, Master Bruce, right there, so. I mean, I say, yo, no matter what the struggles that you're facing in life, you have to just make up your mind and know, say, yo, DJ Smokey, turn it up for me too, yeah? Let me hear it, Lord. Listen, you know the chop. We start the cash, them only chat. Me tell you, say a oneness have more star than the zodiac. The amount of time them try to hold we back. No, we winning with a surprising buzz. We are some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all of me eyes them froze. No winning, just a life for your chores. Guess we surprise them first, never dolphin cove. Board us to the penthouse, hustle till me eyes them close. Let me tell you, show them say them can't call me up. Although my bank account no big and odious, but times gone by, they even fearful the boss. And now the most notorious, victorious. Them hurt my friend already, and the doctor sew him up. Before you judge a man, try know him story first. And since you're curious, nothing never glorious. Step on the plane, they done surely boss. We winning with a surprising buzz. We are some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all our we eyes them froze. No winning, I just a life for your chores. Guess we surprise them first, never dolphin cove. Board us to the penthouse, hustle till me eyes them close. Put in the work, it happen overtime and never overnight. Me style unique, no man me no son alike. Bring more flames than the gas stove you like. Get out my sight if you're not the soldier type. Feel good for be a winner when you grew up as a stinger. Big house and be mommy they ya consider. The thing I take off like speedboat in a river. I bet me math teacher couldn't count them a figure. We winning with a surprising boss. We are some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all our we eyes them froze. Winning, just a life for your trust.
Hey, the man saying fresher than some nice clean clothes, you know. Hey, I wonder if you hear what the artist I say. Hey, big up yourself right now, 100% talent, and that me a talk about. Them excited, them go do them homework. But in a real life, Nero Malisha, what you think about ecstatic?
Yo, ecstatic, here I go on. For me to make it so I go on, my G. You know what a song they just tell me a while ago? I just make it short and spicy. Your song is basically saying to me that I better we go farm land than they are farm fool, you see me? That's the way a song I get from the song. So with that said, they get a perfect 10, my G. You see me? So go and continue them type of words, my friend. We need it now. You see me? Yeah, man, go.
Thank you, Nero Malisha, Kisha Las Vegas. I see you go on with a whole heap of energy over there. Yeah.
Your performance is always great because you go in your thinking box and you look around you, you analyze what's going on in life and things you express many persons are afraid to talk about. And I really love your effort and I look forward to your performance every single week, and I do hope the audience supports you. I really hope they support you. I'm giving you a 9 because I know you have much more to go.
Thank you, Keisha. Our general, license.
Yo, boys. You know. Yeah, bad artist. Ecstatic. You see me I deal with song they powerful. You always forward with some powerful song. Some song were powerful like the ark when now full. You see me I deal with, I'm always respect and honor that. You see me I deal but me I show you a thing I know. You see when time we are DJ and we DJ all in the third, we are DJ one song all 3 times. You see the third time we DJ, we really sound how we want for sound. You see the punchline, you see the last set of punch, the last chorus we do are the best chorus in the song. You see the rest of the chorus them never on point like the last chorus. You see me I deal with because more time I just practice. You see me I deal with that some more time. When you go in a studio you have a voice, you have to warm up first, you know. You have to sing all that song there all 4 times before you say I'm ready now. You overs when me I deal with, so for me it's a solid 8 again, my general. Arrow them said we.
Yes, our general, thank you for that. You know what I mean? Words of advice. You don't know, it's all about motivation. I just believe, you know what I mean? Pick up yourself. Everything alright. Ecstatic. You mean? It go on a while ago, you know. Alright, keep the show running right now. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, this is how we're doing it right now. Make your way to center stage. Hey, so we have our next beautiful female. Hey, what you doing for us today?
Sing.
Alright, she's singing, so let's bring it right now, alright? think she have a beautiful voice. Hey, trust me, 100% talent Jamaica is doing big things for them, you know. Keisha Las Vegas, let's start with you.
I thought that song was so fun, and she looks simple and so natural and beautiful. Her skin is radiant, and I think not only your presentation, but your voice just shows how much potential you're gonna have. We do need the lessons for you though, and I'm sure we'll prepare to get that done. But I'll give you a 9 because it was fun. I liked it.
Yeah.
All right?
Thank you, Keisha. Nero Malisha.
You know, you have a very powerful voice, don't it? So it's like a pressure pipe or burst with no control. But you have a very, very powerful voice, and the last part, I hear that. You understand? So if you could only just listen to your presentations while it is being played, so you can stay on key with it, because my ears switch enough keys still which enough persons may not pick up. But I give a solid 8 for that, because I know say a voice will come back wicked soon. I can tell you. Big up.
Alright, Nero Malisha. Alright, General. We are doing over there.
Yo, boss. Yeah, bad singer. Hey, I'll be a bad singer in the competition. I hope you realize say we don't have no competition cut out for me in the competition. Yo, was me I deal with, because all of the singers, them female singers who see so far, them have some extraordinary voice. You see me I deal with. But here we go on now. You have a thing when you bridge on the rhythm. You see the bridge them, it effective for you there on the bridge. See, from you miss the bridge, you have to jump back on the rhythm. And I does that. You see the change over where the rhythm I make a few times I hear and I catch the change over. But you still hold it back. You see me I do it, so for me as well is a solid 8. You see me? Go and hold them bad singers.
Alright, thank you for that. Hey, she doing good. Hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, I tell you. Hey, I think we're going for a small break, 5 minutes break and come back. You know what's going on. As I say, 100% talent Jamaica. Remember to keep the votes coming in for all contestants. Hey, you don't know the thing going on. We want them to move up to another level. So this is what we're doing. And big up everybody who make this 100% talent Jamaica show possible. Big up on yourself. Hey, big up Pepper also. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I got. Nicky Family, big up. Everything alright. 5 minutes break. We'll be right back, alright?
Come show your talent on 100% Talent Jamaica. Win $250,000, including weekly prizes, singers, poets, dancers, actors, comedians, instrumentalists, DJs,